Guys, welcome back to my channel at bizyjoe.com. So today I'll be making a video on how to produce or record a YouTube video without actually showing your face. So this is one of the major challenges beginners have while starting their YouTube channel. So they are shy or fear of showing their face on the screen. So I also suffered this while starting my YouTube channel. So, and using your mobile phone, you can actually make some useful videos without even showing your video, without even showing your face, and pass relevant information to your viewers. So I'll be showing you the app that I use. There are so many apps that you can use to actually do that. But before that, if today is your first time of visiting my channel at bizyjoe.com, please do well to subscribe, share this video with your friends, do well to leave us a comment on the comment section. So the app that I actually use to do this, let me go to my Play Store. I use this app called, let me go, video recorder. I use video recorder. Okay. So I use video recorder. This is the one I use, this particular video recorder. This is even the one I'm using to record this particular video, as you can see. And there are so many video recorder you can actually use, but that's the one I use on my own. And there are some phones that come with that particular, a record, how to record your screen and all that. So with this now, you can actually record your screen, everything that is happening on your screen without even showing your face, and the fear of showing your face will be eliminated. So you just talk, pass the information that you want, then you publish the post and share it on YouTube. And also let me know in the comment section the next video that you would like for me to produce, and also let me know the kind of video recorder you're using on your mobile phone. I'm using Samsung Android, so let me know in the comment section the kind of video recorder you're using, so that other people can actually share and know the best video recorder. But this has been working very fine for me. So if you've learned anything from this video, please do well to share this video with your friends. So subscribe so that you don't miss out on any updates that will be releasing on subsequent basis from our channel. So thanks for watching this video.